what's really clear is that in every industrial revolution, we have a social revolution. And actually, what's also really important to Winnie's point is that there is always a moment with every industrial revolution where inequality grows, where there's a financial bubble, and there's trouble. I mean, we had the huge recession of the 1930s. And then what happens is that we have to design a social revolution. Because without that, this is not just an argument about how corporates should do good. Without the social revolution, in fact, the industrial revolution keeps misfiring. We can't make the transition to the new economy. We don't have healthy, skilled workforce. We don't have consumers earning at the level that can demand the goods of the next industrial revolution.